Hi friends, welcome to our channel Ganit Baba. In this session, I will share some multiplication tricks that helps you to boost your multiplication speed. Okay, in almost competitive examinations like RRB or IPPS, oftenly they will ask questions on multiplication. So that time these tricks plays very important role with the quicker calculation speed. Okay, directly we will go to the examples. Here I have listed the examples in almost all examples. In the unit digit, you can see that 5, 5. So the sum of this is 10. Here also you can see 5, 5. Sum is 10. Here also you can see 5, 5, 10. And here also you can see 3 plus 7. 1 plus 9 is 10. 3 plus 7 is 10. Okay. So it might be 4 plus 6, or it might be 2 plus 8, or it might be the anything, like the sum should be 10 of the unit digits, and also the next digit are same in all the examples. You can see here 2 2, here 6 6, here 9 9, here also 9 9, here also 9 9, here also 12 12. So if this type of examples you come across, then its calculation you can do within 2 seconds. I will show you how to do that within 2 seconds. Okay, so what we need to do here, if you find like this, if the unit digit of the multiplication number sum is 10, and if the next digits are same, it might be 12 12 in the last example I have shown. In this case, what you need to do here, you need to multiply by these two numbers, that is 5 into 5, that is 25. So here if these are same means you need to multiply with the next number, that is 2 into 3, that is 6. So this is your answer. Okay, so same thing will carry forward to this number. Okay, 5 into 5 is 25, and 6 into 7, that we need to multiply to next number. 6 into 7 means 42. This is the answer. And here also you can do the thing. So how much seconds you take, you only calculate. 5 into 5, 25. 9 into next number, 90. And same thing you follow this also. 3 into 7, 21. 9 into 10, 90. This is the answer. Here also, see here, in this case 1 plus 9 is 10. So always the unit digit takes 2 digits of the answer. Here 1 into 9 is 9. So you cannot write only 9. You need to write 0, 9. And 9 into 10, 90. This is the answer. Okay. Last problem is 123 into 27. 127. Okay. 7 3s are 21. And next digit 12 into 13, 156. Okay. I hope you people are understanding. If you come across this type of problems, follow these steps. You can solve within 2 seconds. Okay, I will go to next trick. Okay, so here you can see 34 into 99, 2463 into 999, 88 into 99. So it might be like anything which is multiplied by 99 or 9, 999, 49. It might be any 9s. So that time we'll use these tricks. So it will help you to find within 3 or 4 seconds the answer. Okay. So I will share that trick. Okay, here 34 is there, 99 is there. So that time what we need to do, the number which is there here 34, we need to minus it by 1. That is 33. This is the last 2 digit, that's the first 2 digit of the answer. So what we need to do, so we need to minus these 2 terms from this one, like with this number, this number, this. 9 minus 3 is 6. 9 minus 3 is 6. Our answer is 3366. So how much time it takes? Maximum it takes 4 seconds. Within 4 seconds. If you practice more and more, We can solve within 2 seconds also. Here also we follow the same. It seems it's a bigger number, even though it's very easy. Again we need to minus it by 1, that is 2, 4, 6, 2. Again what we need to do, we need to minus from these 4 numbers, that is 9 minus 2, 7, 9 minus 4, 5, 9 minus 6, 3, 9 minus 2, 7. Answer is 2, 4, 6, 2, 7, 5, 3, 7. This is the answer. It's a bigger number, but you solved within 3 to 4 seconds. Okay. So in this case, like suppose number is 88 and 999. So in this case, what we need to do? We need to do the same thing. Like 88 is there, we need to minus 18, that is 87. And here 3 numbers are there, but here only 2 numbers are. In that case, how much 9s will be there, right? That much left digit should, the next multiplication term should be there. So we need to add 0 here. Okay. So that time 9 minus 0, 9 minus 8, 9 minus 7. That is 9. That is 9 minus 8 is 1. 9 minus 7 is 2. Okay. So answer is 8, 7, 9, 1, 2. Okay, we'll see the last problems. See, here it is a reverse of this. Here the numbers are 888 and it is 99. These tricks will not work in this case, because here if it is 999, if it is a less number, we can add 0 here. But if it is 888 and if it is 999, only 2 terms are there. So this rule only follows when this 9 should be equal to number of terms in this, or else might be greater also, it's okay. If it is less than these numbers, that time it will not work. So this will not work, this tricks for this type of number. Always the number of 9 should be equal or greater than the terms which are there in the other number. Okay. In this way you can calculate the numbers. If it is multiplication with 999, so it might be 999999. 10 nines also you can follow this number. Okay. Here one more thing I used to do. Here you got the multiplication number. Okay. Multiplication answer we got. So to verify this, I will follow one small trick. So this will help you. Let's see that trick. Okay. What we'll do? We'll take the same thing. We'll go with this number. Answer is 625. Okay. 25 into 25. Okay. We know the answer. It is 625. Okay. So how to verify that the other 625 is correct or not? So what I will do here in this case, I will take that 1 as 1, 2 as 2, 3 as 3, 4 as 4, 5 as 5, 6 as 6, 7 as 7, 8 as 8, but 9 I will take as 0. Okay. So what we'll do? We'll do one thing here. 2 plus 5 is 7. Cross 2 plus 5 is 7. That is 7 cross 7 is 7 cross 7 I will get as 40. Okay. So what we need to do, as I have written here, 1 is 1, 2 is 2, 3 is 3, 9 is 0. So I can write like this: 9 5 is 45 plus 4. So 49 can be written as 45 plus 4. So I can split 45 as 9 plus 5 times. So that time all it will go to 0. So I left with 4 with this. So what I need to do, I need to perform for this 625. I will add 6 plus 5 is 11, 11 plus 2 is 13. Okay, this can be 13 can be written as 9 plus 4. Okay, so 9 tends to 0. Here I left with 4 and here also I left with 4. If it is 4 means our answer is correct. So if there is a bigger number calculation, that time this trick helps a lot. Okay, I will take the bigger number. Okay, we have here 2 4 6 3 cross 9 9 9 9 9. Okay, so this is 9 0 0 0, so it will come 0. If it is anything means it might be anything. 6 plus 3 goes 0 and 2 plus 4 means 6, but here we will get as 0. If you do the calculation for this number, you should get 0, then answer will be correct. I'll write 2 4 6 2 7 5 3 7. Okay, what I will do here, okay, 6 plus 3 9, it went 0. Next 5 4, that is also 0. Next 7 2, this also 0. 7 2, this also 0. So here also 0, here also 0. That time your multiplication is verified. The answer which you are getting correct. In RRB or IBPS, the multiplication number, if it is bigger, so that time what you need to do, you need to if this the multiplication number is like this number, so you need to perform the same step. You need to add, you need to follow this table, you need to check this is coming 0 means the next thing answer should come also 0. So you cannot multiply, just follow this trick and you'll get the answer very quickly. Okay, I hope you people understood these tricks. Follow these tricks and solve more and more examples, so that time you will be well versed with these tricks. And in the next video I will share some other more mathematics multiplication tricks. If you have any suggestions, please comment in the comment box. Please do like and subscribe to my channel, Zenith Baba. Thank you.